Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the Indus Valley pan for defects, then wash away manufacturing oils using warm water and mild soap. Don't overthink it. Once clean, dry it completely with towels and a short stovetop heating to remove hidden moisture. Next, apply a very thin coat of oil all over. Make sure to wipe off excess so it won't pool. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees F. This temperature helps polymerize the oil into a durable seasoning layer. Now you build the seasoning by applying successive ultra-thin oil layers. Choose flaxseed or grapeseed for a more resilient finish. You place the oiled pan upside down on a rack with foil underneath to catch drips, then bake for 1 hour. This polymerizes the oil into a hard surface. Once cooled, repeat the process 2 to 3 times. Each layer bonds to the metal, darkens the finish, and creates non-stick properties. Make sure to wipe off any excess oil before baking to avoid sticky spots. For everyday use, you'll treat the pan gently. Once done cooking, cool it a bit, scrape food with a wooden or silicone tool, then rinse under warm water, no soaking. Dry thoroughly and rub a thin layer of oil over the surface before storing to preserve seasoning. If food sticks or surface dulls, reheat and oil. If rust shows up, scrub with steel wool to bare metal, dry completely, then repeat the seasoning cycle. This recovery step restores performance quickly and keeps your pan lasting decades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.